Have you ever wondered how rainbow fish get those incredible, shimmering colors? It's a fascinating story that starts deep within their skin. Rainbow fish have special cells called chromatophores. Think of these as tiny little artists, each holding a different pigment. There are melanophores with black or brown pigments, xanthophores with yellow, and erythrophores with red. These cells can expand or contract, which changes how much of each color we see. It's like a living, breathing painting. But pigments are only part of the magic. The real showstopper is something called structural coloration. Beneath the pigment cells, rainbow fish have another layer of cells called iridophores. These cells contain microscopic crystal-like plates made of guanine. Guanine is the same stuff found in our DNA. In rainbow fish, these plates are stacked like tiny mirrors. When light hits them, it bounces and scatters in a very specific way. This phenomenon, known as thin film interference, is the same principle that creates the rainbow shimmer on a soap bubble or a drop of oil on water. So the light penetrates the top layers of skin, hits these guanine crystal plates, and then reflects back. Depending on the angle of the light, the angle you're viewing from, and the spacing between the plates, different wavelengths or colors of light are reflected more strongly than others. This is why a rainbow fish can look brilliant blue from one angle and then flash green or yellow as it turns. It's not changing its pigment. It's literally bending light to create that dazzling, iridescent effect. The fish can even adjust the spacing of these plates to fine-tune the colors they display. But why go through all this trouble? Color is a crucial form of communication for rainbow fish. The intensity and hue of their colors can tell you a lot about a fish's health, mood, and social standing. A healthy, dominant male will often display the most vibrant and intense colors, especially when he's trying to impress a female. This is called flashing or coloring up. During courtship, males will perform a spectacular dance, flaring their fins and intensifying their colors to an almost neon-like brilliance. It's their way of saying, "Look at me. I'm strong, healthy, and I have great genes." Females are naturally attracted to the most colorful males, as it signals a high-quality mate. Color also plays a role in establishing territories and social hierarchies. Males will use their colors to intimidate rivals. When two males face off, they'll often engage in a display of color, flaring their fins and trying to outshine each other. The less dominant fish might color down, its hues becoming dull and faded as a sign of submission, which often prevents a physical fight. So, their beautiful display is also a highly effective, energy-saving way to sort out social disputes. You might even notice your rainbow fish's colors change throughout the day. They are often most vibrant in the morning, especially when the aquarium lights first come on, as this is a common time for spawning behavior. Their colors might seem more subdued during the middle of the day or when they are resting. Several factors in your aquarium can influence how good your rainbow fish look. First, lighting is key. A good quality full-spectrum LED light will bring out the best of their structural coloration. Without bright light, those iridophores can't do their job, and the fish will appear much duller. A dark substrate and background can also make their colors pop, as it creates a contrast that highlights their brilliance. Think of it like placing a jewel on a black velvet cloth. Diet is another huge factor. A high-quality diet rich in carotenoids is essential for maintaining vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows. Carotenoids are natural pigments found in foods like spirulina, krill, and certain algae. The fish can't produce these pigments on their own. They have to get them from their food. So, feeding a varied diet that includes high-quality flakes, pellets, and occasional live or frozen foods will ensure they have the building blocks they need for spectacular color. Water quality is also paramount. Stress from poor water conditions, like high ammonia or nitrates, will cause a fish to wash out its colors. Clean water, stable parameters, and a stress-free environment are non-negotiable for a healthy and therefore colorful rainbow fish. Finally, age and maturity play a big role. Many rainbow fish species, particularly males, don't show their full color potential until they are mature, which can take 6 months to a year or even longer. Young fish often look quite plain and silvery. It's only as they grow and reach sexual maturity that their iridophores and chromatophores fully develop, revealing the stunning adults they are destined to become. This is why patience is so important in this hobby. The plain-looking juvenile you bring home today could transform into a living jewel with the right care and time. So, the next time you admire your rainbow fish, you'll know that you're not just looking at a pretty fish, you're witnessing a complex interplay of biology, physics, and behavior, tiny, swimming masterpiece of light and life.